Yo guys, and welcome back to the video. And in today's video, yes, we'll be talking about the remnants of tropical cyclone 4p, 6p Coby, and then tropical cyclone 5p Coby, and remnants of tropical 6p Tiffany. Now, Coby doesn't look as good as it did a few days ago. Now, Tiffany's final warning. It is now 30 knots right now. It's still 30 knots, but I don't know if it is over the water because they haven't changed their cone, because they still have it in when it made a tropical storm landfall, which is not right, because this system should not be a tropical storm at all. Like, if this system was still a tropical storm, then I would be surprised, but with Coby, this is Cody's final warning as well. It is gonna be getting to 50 knots right now, which is kind of big at the same time, because this system will partly deliver some gusty weather to Auckland and all that. So, sorry about that, guys. Anyway, it's gonna be 45 miles an hour when it gets down here. Now it's gonna turn ex-tropical and just move completely out here. Now, when it moves completely out here, it could take a direct southward turn. Now, whether it will do that, I'm not quite sure when it would do that, or when it would just completely just move westward, or what some of the models are saying, move north, do a loop around Tonga, do another loop round, and then go down like that, which is very unlikely to happen. The Nam K3 want that, Nam K3K want that, and that won't happen. And apparently they want a Category 5 near Tonga. That will definitely not happen near Tonga, as the SSTs are way too low to become a major hurricane. Yeah, maybe a cyclone or hurricane on the Southern System hurricane wind scale, but it won't become a hurricane at least that. So, yeah. This is end of Cody's life. Honestly, I think Cody was a cyclone early on, in its past life, but because this system is now here, it could do a direct southerly turn like that, which will still leave it minor impacts. But if it moves like that, more closer to the coastline, basically New Zealand will get winds. But if it makes landfall here, all the convection will be on this side of the system, which means that now they'll be getting very heavy rainfall, some gusty swells of wind and stuff like that. So do watch it out in Auckland if you're going skiing, or no, if you're going on the waves or anything near New Zealand. I would stay there. So yeah, I would not go anywhere near the system, because this system is life-threatening? Because even though it's a still tropical storm, but particularly it's a tropical storm, and how is it life-threatening? The reason why the system is life-threatening is because it's because the waves of this system will be crashing into New Zealand. Now, we don't need to talk about Tiffany, because Tiffany is dead. It could regenerate in the southwest Indian Ocean, but that possibly might not happen. But yet again, that might happen. So I will show you some satellite imagery right now on tropical Tibbets. A good site to use from. It's actually a subtropical storm now, actually. And Tiffany's now a tropical cyclone again for some odd reason. But if you have a look at the convection, this system is kind of moving towards the north, which is kind of bad news, because if this system regenerates and doesn't make landfall until it gets to the other side of Australia, this system will be easily a Cat 5. But that's not going to happen, because it could regenerate out here, then move out like that, maybe. Now, I'm not quite sure if it will do that, but as you can see, the convection is kind of looking kind of good. I'm not gonna lie. So, I will show you the forecast models, but before I do that, I'm going to show you the forecast models for subtropical storm Coby. Now, Coby is now a subtropical system. It doesn't even look subtropical. So, it's now looking kind of good as a subtropical system for some odd reason. This has surprised me. I didn't know this was going to become a subtropical system, because you can get subtropical systems, but not nowhere near New Zealand. Like, New Zealand, they barely get subtropical systems. It's because it's in like 25 to 24 degrees Celsius was. Still looking good though for a subtropical system. You can't really see the convection because the convection is waned, but on the latest imagery, you can. So, yeah. Anyway, I'll show you the forecast models. If you click onto hurricanes, GFS is Invest 91p right now. Invest 91p. Don't know if it's gonna form, but according to the models, actually, that this is gonna become a significant storm. A Cat 3 at least down on the Southern System Hurricane Wind Scale. Cat 4 to Cat 5 on the Australian scale, which is not bad in a sense, but same time, see, 969 millibars. That is a category 3 on the Southern System Hurricane Wind Scale, and that's a category 5 on the Australian scale. So, I would stay alert for that. Don't know what's going to happen. We don't know if the NHC is going to mark. We don't know if the JTWC is going to mark it or not. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Please help me reach my milestone of 50 subscribers, as that would be well appreciated. So, yeah. Anyway, peace. And have a great day.